Guys, have you been cooking white rice that turned sticky or gummy? Today, I will show you my simple kitchen methods for making soft, fluffy white rice that come out perfect every single time. And guess what? I'm pairing it with sweet fried plantain. This recipe is easy, tasty, and perfect for family lunch dinner. Let's cook together. So let's start cooking. So this is me putting on my salt, the main ingredient for this rice, and this my water. Cover it to boil. So bringing out my plantain, so I want to pair it with plantain as I said earlier. So I'm removing I'm removing the plantain from whatever, I don't know, but I'm separating the plantain sha. So this is me removing the plantain. So before cutting the plantain, I have to make sure, because the plantain is dirty, I washing my chopping board and taking my, after washing my chopping board, I have to wash the plantain also, because there is dirty on it. You have to wash it, or else your plantain you will fry your plantain with so much dirty and sand, and that won't be good for any of us. So this is me washing my plantain. So as you can see, after washing my plantain, I went back, start peeling it. So this is me peeling, removing the cover of the plantain, and cut it into smaller pieces and slice it. I like slicing my plantain like this. It gives me joy whenever I'm eating it. I like it like that. I like it big when I'm eating it. So as you can see, I'm slicing it. Yes, I'm taking my time to slice it because I want it to come out like this. I like this shape. So I make sure to cut all the plantain the same way. So after that is done, I pour in my groundnut oil and start frying it. Yeah, so my plantain is frying. After that, I leave my plantain on the pot. I lower the gas. I went straight to my sink and start washing my rice. As you can see, I like washing my rice very well because of that salt. You know, if you don't want you want your rice to come out perfectly without that gummy, you have to boil it with salt. You have to make sure you boil it with salt. After that, you wash your rice very well. You have to wash it like 3 to 4 times. That's how I normally wash my own. So after that is done, I pour in the water and allow it to cook, and move on to my plantain. So my plantain, the first batch of my plantain is ready. So this is it. I am packing it out. Yes, so this is my first batch. How do you see it? Nice, right? So this is the second batch of the plantain. Yes, I put the second batch of the plantain. It will soon be ready also. So this is me flipping it for the other side to fry it too. So it's okay, it has already fried. So I make sure it fry very well. So this is my plantain. How do you rate my plantain? Yeah, see how beautiful it is. So after that, my rice is finally done. How do you see? So this is me serving the rice to my family. So this is the final result. This is my stew. This is my plantain and rice.